Arogyam param dharmam. Well, what kind of eater or an overeater are you? आज डिकोड करेंगे आपकी थाली एंड आपकी थाली बताएगी द काइंड ऑफ प्लैनेटरी प्लेसमेंट इन योर बर्थ चार्ट एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ईटर आर यू एंड व्हाट प्लैनेट रूल्स यू द मोस्ट. ओवर ईटिंग इन वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ इमोशनल मून, expansive Jupiter, indulgent Venus, and obsessive Rahu. So these control your plate and you don't even know. And today we'll decode that as in order to calm your planets and to balance them out. Now जो moon dominated होगा, even if it is positively manifested, वो कैसा होगा? Emotional होगा, and the hunger would be very emotional, and food would govern his emotions. And if the person is stressed, he would straight run into the kitchen, grab something which calms him down. That's a comfort eating and emotional eating. तो ऐसे में करना क्या है? Make sure that you have include a lot of liquids in your diet. Whenever hungry, don't grab anything solid. नारियल पानी पी लीजिए या छाछ पी लीजिए या L-carnitine या apple cider बना के पी लीजिए. That will help you. And then think if you're really hungry and go for food. Now Jupiter dominated. अगर आपका बृहस्पति prominent है, negative positive दोनों cases में it shows expansion. अब वो एक्सपैंड करेगा. एक्सपैंड क्या करेगा? फैट एक्सपैंड करेगा, ग्रोथ एक्सपैंड करेगा, एंड यू वुड वांट टू फीस्ट. तो बृहस्पति डोमिनेटेड इंसान would be prone to obesity and would have a big appetite. और एटीट्यूड कैसा होगा? इतना भी क्या रोकना, खा लो, कल हो ना हो. So इसमें क्या करना है? You need to break the pattern. Get lot of starchy food in your diet. खाना ट्राई करना है, घी में बनाना है, and whenever hungry, make sure you do not grab anything solid or grainy. Grains नहीं खाने हैं in between meals. अगर आप already grains खा रहे हैं, we'll make a starchy soup today. Feeling of satiety is very important. So this is some vegetables will keep you full. And इसकी ये ना अपने डंडी नहीं तोड़नी, आपको फेंकनी नहीं है. Just break it and chop it and keep it. मैंने यहाँ काट के रखा है. This makes a good vegetable stock. Recipe in the next video. And if you're Rahu dominated, तो Rahu dominated इंसान कैसा होगा? Would be over indulgent and would have unconventional taste. So बहुत spicy खाने का मन करेगा या बहुत तीखा. So what you can do is again keep peri peri seasoning, peri peri masala ले लीजिए, any salad that you like and have it with that. So this again helps with the hunger. So the thing is here you have to identify your kind of hunger. कौन सा planet rule कर रहा है and make your cheat meal according to that. And it should be no grains. Fruits कम से कम in between meals होने चाहिए and dry fruits भी avoid करेंगे. You can have seeds and lot of other options which I'll share in my upcoming videos. And और अगर आप Venus dominated हैं, so Venus denotes pleasure, taste, sweet and rich and luxurious food, gourmet. So अगर वो बहुत ही strong है या afflicted है, you would have addiction for desserts, refined carbs. So what you can do is in that case make sugar free. मैंने stevia खीर बनाई है, no grain, lactogen free stevia खीर. Recipe in the next video, so you can have this, keep it for your cravings and try करना है, बार बार खाना नहीं खाना है. Have a meal which fills you, which gives you a feeling of satiety. So that's important. Find out which planet is afflicted, what your plate looks like, and what do you feel like eating in between meals, or if you're emotional, comment below and I'll tell you your exact comfort food.